Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to open a jar file. To do that, open any browser. You'll need Java. Alright, the browser opened nicely. Type in Java download right here. Yes, download Java. Go to the official website and download it for Windows. Click Download, click Download. Open the file. Click Yes in the dialog box. There we go. The installer opens, click Install, and it starts installing. So all Java files are basically just an archive, right? To open it, see here, it shows a zip file type. You can rename it to zip by right-clicking and selecting Rename. And here, instead of jar, type zip, just like that, and open the contents. If you specifically need to open a jar file as a process, let me find a jar file. For example, some Minecraft mod. I'm not sure. Here's Minecraft. Where are my mods? Here, just open it. Here's the file we need. If it doesn't display, right-click and open with Java. And that's how you open it. That's all. This was Weller. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.